Hello everyone, welcome to the General Knowledge class of Standard 10th. The topic that I am going to take today is Mountains of Smoke and Fire, along with the tidbits related to it, with the following objectives: to know about the various mountains of smoke and fire, that is, their location and importance. But before proceeding with the mountains of the world, let's study few India's active volcanoes. Barren Island is the remote stratovolcano of India. Barren Island is located to the east of India in Andaman Islands. Its most recent eruptive episode began in September 2018 and has included lava flows, explosions, ash plumes, and lava fountaining. Narcondam is a dormant volcano in Andaman Sea. It is located to the north of Barren Islands. Baratang is an island of the Andaman Sea. It lies 150 km north of Port Blair. It is the only fascinating mud volcano in India with 8 mud volcanoes. These small muddy craters are created by natural gases emitted by decaying organic matter underground that pours mud upwards. Dinodar Hills are located near Nani Aral village in Nakhatrana Taluka, Kutch district, Gujarat, in India. It is an extinct volcano rising to an elevation of 386 meters. They are historically relevant, especially because they are connected to Doramnath temple at top and the monastery below. Now coming to the mountains of the world, Mauna Loa is one of 5 volcanoes that form the island of Hawaii in the US state of Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean. The largest subaerial volcano in both mass and volume, Mauna Loa has historically been considered the largest volcano on the earth. Mount Etna is an active stratovolcano on the east coast of Sicily, Italy, in the metropolitan city of Catania. It lies above the convergent plate margins between African plates and the Eurasian plates. Next is Toba. The youngest Toba eruption was a supervolcanic eruption that occurred around 75,000 years ago at the site of present-day Lake Toba in Sumatra, Indonesia. It is one of the Earth's largest known explosive eruptions. Next is Valley of 10,000 Lakes. Valley of 10,000 Lakes is a valley within Katmai National Park and Reserve in Alaska, which is filled with ash flow from the eruption of Nova Rupta on June 6 to 8, 1912. It was the largest eruption of the 20th century. The valley got its name because as far as the eye could reach was full of hundreds, no thousand, literally tens of thousands of smokes curling up from its fissured floor. Next is El Chichon. El Chichon is a remote part of northern Chiapas, in South Mexico, lies a little non-dormant volcano called as El Chinchonal. It last erupted in 1982. Izalgo is an active stratovolcano on the side of the Santa Ana volcano, which is located in western El Salvador. It is situated on the southern flank of the Santa Ana volcano. It erupted continuously from 1770 to 1958, earning it the volcano of lighthouse of the Pacific. Next is Mount Agung. Mount Agung is an active volcano in Bali, Indonesia, southeast of Mount Batur volcano, also in Bali, and dominates the surrounding area, influencing the climate, especially rainfall pattern. Most recent eruption occurred from 2017 to 2019. Now children, at the end I hope that through this video you have come to know about the various mountains of smoke and fire of the world. Now your homework is to fill the names of these mountains on your book. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Stay safe and blessed always.